Does anyone know what this is? What do you think this is? Guess below. I'll wait while you guess below. Okay, this is, might not work because I took it out of the freezer. Look at it. It's ice, it's snow. Well, it's turning ice because I took it out. Every winter, I put some ice in here. I've done it since my first kids were little. And in July, we would have a snowball war. But this has been out of the freezer because I needed room in my freezer. I feel so bad. I wanted to keep some so Polly and I could have a snowball fight. I might put in a couple of it in the baggie, but the container's too big. I need the freezer to put some stuff in. Did any of you have a tradition like that you do? I don't know. Once I just thought of it and I thought it'd be fun. Like when I had a Cub Scout. I had many Cub Scouts through the years. I did it for 10 years. And we would have a picnic in my living room in January. So we did all kinds of different things. But yep, that is snow. It's melting because I took it out. So short but sweet and to the point. So tell me if you have any kind of things like that you do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Sharing is caring. Don't forget to pay it forward. Feels good in your heart, Polly's heart, and mine. And stay safe. Bye.